How much can you withdraw from EverBank Performance Savings? Have you ever wondered how much you can actually withdraw from EverBank's Performance Savings account? It's a question that many people have, and it's a valid one. After all, your savings account is there to help you achieve your financial goals, and knowing how much you can withdraw is crucial. In this video, we're going to dive deep into EverBank's Performance Savings account and explore its withdrawal limits. We'll cover everything from the basics to the finer details so you can make informed decisions about your savings. What is EverBank Performance Savings? Before we get into the withdrawal limits, let's take a quick look at what EverBank Performance Savings is. It's a high-yield savings account that offers competitive interest rates. This means your money can grow faster than it would in a traditional savings account. Withdrawal limits, the basics. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, the withdrawal limits. While EverBank Performance Savings doesn't have a strict daily or monthly withdrawal limit, there are a few things you need to know. ATM withdrawals, you can withdraw up to $1,000 per day from ATMs. In-branch withdrawals, you can withdraw up to $10,000 per day at an EverBank branch. Online and mobile withdrawals, there are no daily or monthly limits for online and mobile withdrawals. Important considerations. While the withdrawal limits may seem straightforward, there are a few important considerations. Early withdrawal penalties. If you withdraw your money before the required minimum term, you may be subject to early withdrawal penalties. These penalties can vary depending on the term of your account. Federal regulations. EverBank is subject to federal regulations, which may limit the amount you can withdraw in certain circumstances. Account fees. If you exceed the monthly withdrawal limit, you may be charged a fee. How to avoid withdrawal penalties. If you want to avoid early withdrawal penalties, it's important to understand the terms of your account. Here are some tips. Read the fine print. Before opening an account, make sure you understand the terms and conditions, including the early withdrawal penalties. Plan ahead. If you know you'll need to withdraw your money before the minimum term, consider opening a different type of account that doesn't have early withdrawal penalties. Consider a CD. If you're looking for a higher interest rate and don't need to access your money immediately, a certificate of deposit, CD, may be a better option. Frequently asked questions. Here are some frequently asked questions about EverBank Performance Savings withdrawal limits. Can I withdraw more than $10,000 per day? Yes, you can withdraw more than $10,000 per day, but you may need to provide additional documentation. Are there any fees associated with withdrawals? There are no fees associated with withdrawals, except for early withdrawal penalties and potential monthly fees if you exceed the withdrawal limit. Can I withdraw my money at any time? Yes, you can withdraw your money at any time, but you may be subject to early withdrawal penalties. As you can see, EverBank Performance Savings offers flexible withdrawal options. While there are some limits in place, you should be able to withdraw your money when you need it. If you're considering opening an EverBank Performance Savings account, be sure to read the terms and conditions carefully. This will help you understand the withdrawal limits and any potential fees. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe for more financial tips and advice.